Hey guys, creating professional and visually engaging presentations can be daunting. It often requires significant time, creativity, and design skills, which can be frustrating for those without experience in design software. But what if you could create stunning slides effortlessly without any design expertise? Imagine simplifying the process so that anyone, students or business professionals, can craft beautiful presentations in just minutes. Introducing Tenorshare AI Slides, a cutting-edge tool that revolutionizes how you create presentations. Powered by advanced AI technology, it helps you design visually appealing, high-impact slides with just a few clicks. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or a social media presentation, Tenorshare AI Slides enables you to produce polished, professional presentations without the hassle of complicated software. Create impressive slides quickly and easily. Effortlessly elevate your presentation game. Without further ado, let's dive into Tenorshare AI Slides.
Welcome to techroot Solutions.
Go to Google and search for ai.tenorshare.com or simply click the link provided in the description. This is the homepage of Tenorshare, where they offer a variety of services. Now let's click on AI Slides. Tenorshare AI Slides is a free AI-powered presentation maker that helps you create professional slides in just a few minutes using a wide range of free templates. On the homepage of Tenorshare AI Slides, you can create presentations in seconds with their pre-designed templates. It's simple. Tenorshare offers an easy step-by-step process to turn your ideas into fully designed slides instantly. You just need to provide your prompt or text, and Tenorshare will design the slides for you. You can export your presentations as PowerPoint files, PDFs, or images, all completely free to download. What's even more impressive is that Tenorshare AI Slides automatically generates a presentation outline and offers advanced text and language options to make your presentation truly engaging. You can tailor your presentation perfectly to your needs. Now let's explore the tool. At the top of the website, click on Try for free to access the main dashboard. From the top left corner, you can manage generated slides, access your saved documents, and even check the recycle bin. We'll start by entering a single prompt or pasting existing text notes. You can also choose how many slides you need. I'll select 5 slides and set the language to English. Next, you can enter the topic or idea you want to turn into a presentation. For this example, I'll type AI technology and click on Generate Outline. Tenorshare will generate an outline for the slides, and you can add or remove slides based on your specific needs. In the Settings section, you can customize the type of presentation you want to create. I'll choose a professional style presentation since my target audience is customers, but you can adjust this based on your goals. Click on Create Presentation. This might take a moment. Afterward, you'll select a template from the variety available. I'll choose one and click Confirm. And just like that, your presentation is ready. Using Tenoshare's AI tools, we've created a polished, professional presentation in no time. Lastly, to download your presentation, go to the top right corner, click Export, and select your preferred format. I'll choose to export it as a PDF. Try Tenorshare AI Slides for yourself, and let me know in the comments how you've used this fantastic tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on AI tools and trends.